Parkour.
Yeah, up to.
I'm on a mission.
What mission?
I'm trying to find glowworms.
You know it's hard to find them in the daytime.
Yeah, I know. But I love a challenge.
Oh, hell. You ain't gonna find them around here. You'll have to wait till night time or go and find a cave.
Hey, Anna. John boy, you're a genius. I know someone who can show us, Anna. Find my cousins. Oh, do you want to come too, John boy?
I can't this time. I'm trying to catch a unicorn.
A unicorn? But there are no unicorns around here.
I know, but I like a weirdo.
Oh well, ko tātou tēnā. Me haro, we're off to find a cave. Parkour. Let's go! This is gonna be amazing, my cousins. I've never been inside an ana before. For this mission, we're gonna have to travel all the way to Waipu to meet one of my friends who can introduce us to an ana and titiwai glowworms. Awesome! Then I'm gonna become their friends and then I'm gonna transform into a titiwai, change my name to Glowworm Buzz, and then that's me living in a cave. I wonder what else we can find in an ana. Come on, my cousins! We made it, my cousins. Tito! Oh, ka mau te wehi. Te ātāhua hoki o tēnei whenua. Let's go and find our guide.
What you doing, Buzz?
Oh, I'm on a mission.
What you missing this time?
Oh, we're looking for some glow. Oh, Ian, it's you. There you are.
Hey.
Hey, meet the cousins.
Oh, kia ora, cousins.
Me and the cousins are just on a mission to find some titiwai.
Glowworms?
Yeah, I've been trying to find them in the daylight, but they're really good at hide and go seek.
You won't find them in the daylight.
That's what John Boy said. Hey, yous might be related. Anyway, we've heard that titiwai like to hang out in ana, and the only mātanga I know on caves is you.
Oh, I'm no expert.
Oh, what are you then?
No, actually, I am an expert.
Oh, I knew my calculations were correct. So, do you think that you could please show me and the cousins some titiwai?
Absolutely. Come with me, Buzz.
Whai mai!
Welcome to the entrance of the cave. Buzz, before we enter the cave, I need to give you a little safety briefing. The most important thing is not to go in a cave by yourself. You should have an adult with you. You need to check for rain and bad weather washing into the cave.
Is there anything else I need before we go in?
Yes, here's a torch for you.
Perfect.
And I have my big one.
Oh! Let's go!
Buzz, it's getting dark down here. Let's put our lights on. Light check.
Check!
Let's check the big one.
Wow! Oh!
Like daylight.
Come on, cousins. Kia Maya. Be brave. This is amazing. I've never been inside a nana before. Check it out, cuzzies. It's like a whole nother world down here. Hey, what's that?
I can see a spider.
Oh, a pūngā were were.
Come on, Buzz. Come with me.
Hea haere.
That's a stalactite.
It looks like an icicle.
Don't touch.
Oh.
Don't touch. There's oils in our skin and it could damage it. It stops it growing.
Oh. Tiakina, don't touch the stalactites.
They take 100 years to grow a centimetre.
100 years to grow a centimetre. That must mean this one is 10 plus 100 minus 5. Didn't carry the 9. Triangle's real pointy. 500 years old.
Try 500,000.
500,000? Hey, isn't that when the dinosaurs were around?
Well, not quite, but I've got something to show you. It's not a dinosaur, but it's pretty cool. Let's go. Look, Buzz, a moor bone.
That's a moor bone?
Yeah, seriously. Bones get washed into the cave. This is a lower leg bone.
Oh, I wish I was a moor. Hey, I had a dream I was a moor once.
That's a funny dream.
Yeah, but I woke up and I wasn't any more. I still got it.
Oh, got any more?
Yep. How does a cave haka?
How?
Anahi, anahi, anahi-ha. Man, I'm good. Hey, we still haven't found any titiwai.
Oh, come with me, Buzz. I got a special place to show you.
Come on, cuzzies.
Let's change lights. First, I'm just going to put my laser through the web. The laser shines up the little blobs of glue on the webs of the glowworms.
Does the laser light hurt the titiwai?
No, I don't shine it at the titiwai. I just shine it at the rocks, and it helps put light onto the webs.
I wish I could make a web.
Let's have some dark time so we can see them.
It's like a galaxy in here.
There's a glowworm laying in its hammock. Hanging down from the hammock is lots of webs, some short, some long. Insects like mosquitoes and caddisflies, they fly up and get caught in the webs.
How long do the webs get?
The webs will get up to 30 centimetres long.
Oh, and what's that one there?
That's a male. It's got a long and skinny abdomen.
What does the female look like?
She has a big apuku. She's going to lay lots of eggs.
Papatuanuku is beautiful. Oh, I can't believe you live in here.
I don't live in a cave, Buzz.
Oh, I would. And then I'd morph into a glowworm and live off the ceiling.
Oh, you're a cracker, Buzz. I gotta go find a dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Can I come?
Oh, I don't know.
Please, I know heaps of dinosaur jokes. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Hey, Ian, wait for me.